Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna give you some information about how to get Temu credits. Want to know how to get Temu credits and make your purchase more affordable? Let me show you. You just have to follow these few simple steps. The first step is to understand Temu credits. Temu credits are rewards that you can use to reduce the cost of your orders. They're often given as parts of promotions, referrals, or specific campaigns. The second thing you want to do is to participate in promotions. Check the rewards or promotions section in the Temu app for offers that provide credits. Example include completing challenges or tasks and referring friends to Temu. The third thing you want to do is to track referral credits. And to do that, you have to share your unique referral link with friends when they sign up and make their purchase. And just like that, you'll earn credits. The fourth thing is you can use credits at checkout. When placing an order, credits will automatically apply to reduce the total cost. And if not insured, they are selected before completing the payments. And for order ships, credits often have expiration dates, so use them before they expire. And regularly check your accounts for new credit offers and combine credits with coupons or discounts for bigger savings. And that's it. These were some informations about how to get Temu credits. It's very simple and very easy. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have any more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.